Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today I have a Walmart try on haul. Thank you so much Walmart for sponsoring this video. So we're going to jump right in and start off with the dress that I'm wearing right now. Everything will be in the description box below. But this dress is really cute. It goes off the shoulder. I would say this dress runs a little bit big. So if you wanted to purchase it, go down a size, because it has this ruched material right here and it's very stretchy in the middle. If you want it to, fit to your body a little bit more, I would say go down a size, but it's really cute, perfect for the summertime. It also has pockets, short dress, really cute. And we love this. I love the way that this one fits. It's really cute. If you wanted to do some flats, platforms, heels, I think any pair of shoe would look cute, just depending on where you're going, if you want to kind of dress it up or down. But this is so cute. If you wanted to put the shoulders up, you could, and you'll just have like the nice puff shoulders like this. I really like this way too. Really cute. So yeah, we like this. Really fun dress, night or day. Yeah, so this is the next look. Now, when I was shopping on Walmart.com, I wanted to find something that was just simple, easy, something I could just grab. I didn't really have to think about it. So I picked up this dress, which is a nice cream color. It has two different materials. So the top is like a cotton, and then the bottom is like a satin, but I'm not 100% sure. It does have pockets. I love this dress. I'm wearing a size medium. It has the lining under the bottom, so it's not see-through. So we love that. I would probably wear these, like a pair of sunglasses like this, something just nice and simple. And then we could either do some browns with it, because like I said, it is cream dress. So I think brown would look good with this look. And I have some sandals the same color. Or we can do a brown clutch, which is probably how I would style this with my brown shoes this color. Or we can keep it all cream. This bag, a little bit of gold. So yeah, just something really nice and simple, nice and flowy, because it's hot in Florida. Okay, next up, y'all look at this dress. It's like a bubble dress, but in the long version. I've seen a lot of the short ones, and this is the long one, and I think it is adorable. It does have pockets. How cute is this? And I would pair it with these sunglasses if it's during the day and I'm going out. I think it looks really cute. Carry this bag. How cute. I love this dress, y'all. It's so nice. I love the way that this one fits. I'm wearing this one in a size medium. It does fit true to size. And I just think that this is adorable. Like, what? So adorable. I would have loved for this one to be like a crop top. I think that one would have looked really, really cute. But I love this. I think that this is so cute. And this one, I feel like you can really play around with it and dress it up or down. Just depending on what your vibe is, you can really play around with this. I love this. I think it's so cute. I couldn't believe that this was on Walmart.com. I'm like, what? How cute. So fun. Next up, and y'all, by the way, the glasses are sold separately, okay? I just want to show you guys like how I would style it. And my sunglasses are new, so I wanted to wear them. But how cute is this? This is a navy blue romper, and I love it. I think it is so cute. I am wearing a medium, and as you guys can see, it is like a little baggy, which I like. The large was a little too baggy for me, so I got it in a medium. This fits really nice on me. I love it. It has the drawstring pockets. Does it have pockets in the back? It does have pockets in the back. But I love the way that this fits. I'm gonna do like a full body so you guys can see where the pants fall on me. Really cute, nice sleeves. I love this. Very comfortable, not too tight. Really cute. Let's see some different shades. Let's try my favorite shades. Y'all know I like to accessorize with sunglasses, so I like to, you know, get the vibe with my sunglasses. But love this. What do y'all think? It's so comfortable. It's not too tight. I like the fact that it has this string here so you can cinch in your waist, so I really like that. Really nice. Love this. I would wear it with some flats. But if you wanted to dress up or down, that's just the way that I shop, just in case you want to wear it different ways. But this is fun. It's not too heavy. So we like that. It has the buttons. This is nice. It's cute with these two. I probably would wear a pair that's something like this with maybe my brown clutch, some brown sandals. So yeah, we like this. Really nice. Y'all, next up is this black linen dress. It has some ruching here at the top, and then it just goes out. I'm wearing this in a size medium, which is size 8 through 10. So just keep that in mind when you order from Walmart.com. I would probably pair it with my favorite sunglasses, y'all already know. And this dress is like, it screams Sherika because I actually have some dresses that's very similar to this, but I love it. It does have pockets, nice and flowy. Flowy is the vibe for this summer. This is really nice. I love this. I love the way that it falls. It's not dragging the floor. It probably falls like right at my ankle. Really nice. Y'all see me in stuff like this all the time. So I love the linen material. It has the adjustable straps here. If you need more room at the top or not, you can adjust it to your liking. I would probably just wear, like I said, these shades, some slides, and a cute little crossbody, or maybe like a clutch with this. So we love this. This looks nice. I love the pockets. Really cute. Yes, love this. To make the outfit not so simple, I would probably accessorize with some oversized earrings, something fun like this. I haven't worn these in a while. Really cute. And maybe like some gold bangles. But I feel like if I was to wear these earrings, I would have to change my sunglasses. I feel like I would need something a little more chic. But this looks good. And then let me get some gold bangles. Maybe something fun like this. Right, that looks cute. Love this. I might wear this tonight. Okay. Next up is a pair of jeans. Now y'all, when I saw these jeans, I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so cute. I would pair it with the button down shirt, some shades, most likely some nice little sandals, and be out the door. I would definitely have to get these taken up because they are long, but I love the two-toned jean like the dark jean here, the lighter jean in the front. So cute. These are barrel jeans. I love the way that they fit, okay? Love, but they're a little too long, so I would get them taken up. But how cute are these? Like, so nice. They do have stretch, so that's a good thing. I am wearing a size 10. I would say they run a little big, but they're gorgeous. Like, how fun are these? This is the waist, and I don't have much gapping in the back. Not that much gapping. I was trying to decide if I wanted to go up a size just because I really like the loose fit, but I said no, I think I'm gonna keep this size and just have Miss Lola take the legs up. But these, y'all need these jeans. Like, so cute. And then I have this little bag here that would be cute with it. I love them. I really do. They fit so comfortable, not too tight. I've been really into jeans lately, and y'all know I love me a good baggy barrel jean. So this is right on brand for me. And just a two-tone. I haven't seen anything like this. So we love that. So cute. The last thing that I picked up, I found these flats. Y'all know that I am a Jacksonville Jaguar fan, so this will be perfect for football season when I go to the games, or when I'm just dressing up when I go to like football watch parties and things like that. I can have my little shoes, so I had to get these. I am a big Cheetah fan, but these will be my team shoes for this football season. Y'all know I love this style, so I had to get them. I got them in a size 10, but y'all know it has the adjustable buckles, so you can tighten or loosen them however you want to. But this style shoe, I like them to be a little loose. They're not too heavy, so I like that. This is how the bottom looks. So yeah, and this is Time and True. Super cute. So that is it for today's haul. Don't forget to check out walmart.com. I'll have all the links to everything that was shown today in the description box below.